Hi, I'm Dr. Will Horton, and I'll be presenting at this year's National Guild of Hypnotists convention, the first virtual convention, a 2-hour workshop, Hypnoaddictionology, addiction treatment in the age of COVID. Now, in this topic, I'll be talking about 3 basic things. Number 1 is how to tell the difference between a bad habit and addiction. Number 2, I'll be talking about the root cause of addictions and even bad habits. And lastly, is trauma the key to addictions and bad habits? Now, who should attend this? Anyone who helps other people make changes in their lives in any way. Coaches, hypnotists, NLP professionals, therapists. This will be a great talk for you. Again, it's Dr. Will Horton, and I look forward to seeing you at the National Guild of Hypnotists 2021 virtual conference. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.